Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video. If you're a civil engineer and if you were planning for your higher study or study in Asia region, I mean top university in Asia region, then this video is for you. So in this video I'm going to discuss about and I'm to show you about top 25 all ranking university in 2020 for civil engineering in Asia. So for Asian university, I mean which universities will be based and which universities all ranking or in Asia ranking based university. So I have selected 25 video from QS all ranking, and I am going to discuss about that which video will be based for a civil engineer. And here all university or institute are based with respect to civil engineering subject. So let's start. So here is the list of Asian top university. So this is the Asian ranking and this is the QS, I mean global ranking. So the first of all, in global ranking 9, National University of Singapore, then Guan University, China, then the third one is, I mean the world ranking is 12 for civil engineering. This Nanyang Technology University, this is Singapore, and in Hong Kong the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology from Hong Kong, and this is the Asian top 4 ranking university, and this is a sister world ranking in 17 for civil engineering. Then the Hong Kong Polytechnical University in Hong Kong, then the University of Hong Kong. After that, this is all ranking 19 and all ranking 21, the University of Tokyo, Japan, then all ranking 29, Shanghai Jiaotong University, China, this is all ranking 29. Then in 31, Tongji University, China, this 31 and Asia ranking 9. Then 33 ranking Korea Advanced Institute of Technology, South Korea. Then the ranking 33, Kyoto University, Japan. Then Seoul National University, South Korea. Then Tokyo Institute of Technology, Japan, this is all ranking 44 and Asian ranking 13. Then all ranking 50 and Asian ranking 40, National Taiwan University, Taiwan, and world ranking 51 to 100 for civil engineering, and in Asia it's for ranking 15, City University of Hong Kong is there. Then 51 to 100, the world Asia ranking 16, Hanyang University, South Korea. Then Asian ranking 17, Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, and all ranking 51 to 100. Then Indian Institute of Technology, IIT, India, and this is Delhi, and Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, this is also from India. This is all ranking 51 to 100, and this is Asian ranking 19. Then Korea University, South Korea, then Peking University, China, then University Malaysia, it is from Malaysia, and University Technology Malaysia, it is also from Malaysia. And here Yonsei University, South Korea, and the last one is Zhejiang University, China. So this is the top 25 university in China, I mean sorry, in Asian country. So from here, if you or planning to study in Asian top university, then may this will help you for the best choice of your Asian university. So I think that's helpful for you, and if you think that that's helpful for you, don't forget to like our video, leave a comment for your suggestion or anything, and don't forget to share that video with your friend. And if you're a civil engineer, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's finish that, and stay connected till next video.